And when your views are cast upon the ones who fall down on their luck, and when your furrowed frown as you're looking down, when you really should be looking up towards the ones that take the most away from you, and not towards the ones beneath when they're just simply making do.
Promote yourself, look like a cunt, vodka parties, cushion walls in a shit club. I ain't bothered where it goes, I got a job. I'll rot away in the aisles of the co-op, mate, no prob. French fancies, Mr. Kipling acid dances. Let's laugh at local record plants, elitist hippies, arrogant cunts. Ian Beale, tight trunks, tight pants, grammar wanker, author plank, pirate mankey. 60 kids, where's mine? Wasting money on shit coffee all the time. Fish fingers, take the batter off. I can't believe you had kids. Fuck off! Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Mr. Jolly fucker! Lamplight boogie, repress, bus cunt, move them mate, move for fuck's sake. The machine don't bleed, ticketless, sheep, bar, crack sheep, have you any wrong? EDL twat, Tommy used to work on the dock, Union went all white, he fucking loved it. Take it down there, camouflage, Humpty Dumpty, crusades, blood on the hands of working class rage. Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Mr. Jolly fucker! Why do I walk on seeing gilded splinters? Digital time boards and the new public shitters. Soft dips in our roads. Curry night, I better watch my words. 2-pint buzz and loads of office turds. Push in, don't push me. I was here first, you cunt. Can't you fucking see? Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Jolly fucker! Mr. Jolly fucker!
Jumping out of bed, I got something in my head. It's a picture, it's a story of Broughton and his glory. Gonna send it to the Salford Star. If you have something to say, maybe it's a fun day down your way. I'll fight for you right on a building site, on the land where your house once stood. They'll pull no punches, they'll fight hard to get your cause heard wide and far. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our Salford Star. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our salfordstar.com.
Please don't ignore me. I am still human after all. Please don't walk past me and be thankful it isn't you that took a fall. Please don't disapprove of me. I only want to live a better life. Please do not insult me. I could be a mother, brother, sister, or wife, yeah. You can always talk, you can always smile, or you could turn away and run a mile. I have a heart and I have a soul. on your brand new shiny iPhone. Please don't think I'm stupid. I used to mind and run my own business. I am the proof. I'm a number and a screaming, dying witness. You can always talk, you can always smile, or you can turn away and run a mile. I have a heart and I have a soul, and I am homeless. You can always talk, you can always smile, or you can turn away and run a mile. I have a heart and I have a soul. Ooh, and I am homeless. You can always talk, you can always smile, or you can turn away and run a mile. I have a heart and I have a soul, and I am homeless. You can always talk, you can always smile, or you can turn away and run a mile. I have a heart and I have a soul. Ooh, and I am homeless.
That was the Brooklyn Foundation, and before that we had the Sleaford Mods. Yes, they've just returned from Glastonbury, and I'll tell you what, they took it by storm there. I've seen a bit of it on the telly one Friday night, and I'll tell you what, brilliant. Right, oh yeah, let's just talk about the Sleaford Mods, shall we, for a little bit. I've already turned down adverts from like people like Guinness and all that, and I can remember JB Barrington telling me once when I went to one of his gigs in Liverpool, you know what I mean, everyone seems to be listening to them at the moment. They are the in thing. Right, let's get some Libertines on, shall we, in a bit of that clash. Up to now we've played 7 indie bands, and you know what, I'm going to fit my 2 favourite in before the end. Yeah, the Moods and Death to the Strange. Why? Because they really are smashing it up here in Manchester, and that's what the scene's all about at the moment. All the local bands sticking together, and to me, it don't really get much better than that. Anyway, let's get the Libertines on up the bracket and a bit of a clash.
Saw 2 shadow men on the violence road. They said to pay me for your address, so I was so bold. They said, you see these 2 cold fingers, these crooked fingers I show. You wait to me, no, well they didn't like that much, I can tell you. He says, sunshine, I wouldn't wanna be in your shoes. They chased me up 3 flights of stairs, going to lift outside and said hello. But you're impossible, and it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger on show. That'll wind the blood Joseph bloody in the hole. It's just like she's in another world, you know, they suit each other, no. 'Cause she never get close. Same 2 men on the Cali road. So now they double their offer, I was so bold to say, see these 2 cold fingers I know, these crooked fingers I show. Oh, use a way to me, no, but it's just like he's in another world. He doesn't see the danger on show. Now you'll end up like Joseph bloody in the hole. Just like she's in another world, you know, they shoot each other, oh no. It's hard upon them, never get close. Unstoppable.
never get close, that's close enough.
Breaking rocks in a hot sun. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a law one. I needed money 'cause I had none. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a law one. I left my baby and it feels so bad. I guess my race is run. She's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a robbing people with a six gun. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a law one. I lost my girl and I lost my phone. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a law one. I left my baby and it feels so bad. I guess my race is run. She's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law in a law one. I fought the law in a I fought the law in a law one. 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 I fought the law in a
That was a clash with I Fought a Law and a Law one. Yeah, that's going out to my mate Piggy who's over in Turkey. Wanted some meatloaf on. Not on this show tonight, mate. I've really got my back up. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish off with 3 local bands that are really like making it big in Manchester at the moment. We're going to have The Moods, Kids Carry Guns, we're going to have Death to the Strange, and we're going to have a Precipice by The Ascension, because this station is all about getting local bands out there. And tonight we have got Teddy in the show, and tonight didn't really get much better than me for that. Do you know what I mean? I just love getting the music out there, and sooner or later these mainstream stations, they'll be onto all these bands. I just can't see why they're not doing it now. Why? Because of money. And money makes the world go round. Yes, money. If you've got a big fat manager who can finance it all and say to these radio stations, get us out there, they'll do it. Do you know what I mean? They'll do it. It's all about cash. Not on this station, it ain't. It's about getting talent out there. And tonight we had a show full of talent. Don't really get much better than that for me. If you've enjoyed what you've listened to the sounds of Salford. If you haven't, you've listened to Radio 1 or some crap mainstream station. Till the next time, do me a massive favour and take care.
Has locked up the earth, holding control of the beasts and the birds, abolishing slavery, or haven't you heard?